One of the easiest way, again, to calm the mind is to match the rhythm of my mind with my own voice. So if, for example, one day I have an argument with somebody and my mind goes, oh, she told me this, oh, she told me that, oh, no, 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 oh, no, no, no. If I analyze this chatting, there is a rhythm behind it. It goes like, no, 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 no. So what I do is simply match the same rhythm with my voice. So my mind goes, oh, she told me that. Oh, she told me this. Oh, I should be doing this, or I should be that. And at the same time, I'm going, I notice my mind, this rhythm is going on. So I'm going to step back and just go with my voice and go, no, 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 no. And this goes just for a few seconds, honestly. Sometimes it really works instantly. As soon as you match your voice with your mind, it comes down. Sometimes it takes 30 seconds, sometimes what minutes. Hey ho, what is 30 seconds if it really helps you to get from your mind into, again, a place of silence, a place where you really can be and not be taken by this chatty mind that really gets us from ourselves into something that completely is not constructive at all.